In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the Squarespace start page into their Help Center and land on a specific article that explains how to upload and manage files. I'll keep the flow simple and add context so each click makes sense. First, open a modern browser and head to the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. This is the main starting point where Squarespace introduces templates and features. You don't need to build anything yet. We're just using this page as a reliable gateway to their official support resources. If you already have an account, being signed in can personalize your experience, but it isn't required for this walkthrough. Next, look toward the top navigation for the link labeled Resources. This section is where Squarespace gathers its learning materials, like help articles, guides, and inspiration. If you're on a smaller screen, you might have to open the Site menu to find it. Clicking here is useful because it keeps you within the official ecosystem, ensuring you get accurate, up-to-date guidance. From Resources, choose Help Center. The Help Center is Squarespace's searchable knowledge base. It hosts clear, step-by-step articles written by their team, along with troubleshooting advice and best practices. Using the Help Center is faster and more precise than randomly browsing, especially when you know the keywords you're after. Once you're in the Help Center, use the search bar and type the word highlight. Searching by a simple keyword helps you surface a range of related documentation, including topics that touch design, text formatting, and content handling. Search results can vary over time, so focus less on the keyword itself and more on the results that look most relevant to what you want to accomplish. If needed, refine the term or scan result snippets to confirm the match. From the results, click the article titled Uploading and Managing Files. This guide explains how to host files within Squarespace, add downloads to pages, and keep assets organized. You'll learn where files live in your site, how linking to them works, and which formats are supported. It's especially helpful if you want visitors to download PDFs, images, or other assets directly from your site without relying on third-party storage. As you read, note any version-specific details, like differences between site versions, and consider bookmarking the page so you can return quickly while building. That way, whenever you need to add or update a file, you'll know the exact process and recommended settings straight from Squarespace's official documentation.